Here I have REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping it once you can just switch this mode like this. By holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings. Okay, you go to more, and here, for example, you can set up a schedule for this mode. You can add exceptions to it. It could be people, none, favorites, or contacts. It could be apps. You can also ring for repeated calls. A second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced. And you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.